Here at GlasWeld, we are always pushing the limits to make rock chip repair easier, faster, and more effective, because we want fixing glass to feel like a win for our customers and not a hassle. That's why we spent the last 2 years developing something game-changing. Meet the ProCur X, the curing light that takes repairs to the next level. It's got extra versatility, extra powerful curing, an extra long-lasting battery, and an extra smart temperature sensing technology. In this video, I'll break down the top 4 reasons why the ProCur X is light years ahead of other lights, making it a must-have, and show you exactly how to use it. Let's jump in. Now, versatility can mean a lot of different things, but what does it mean for the ProCur X? Using GlasWeld tools already puts you ahead of the competition. But now you can take it a step further by customizing your gear to match your brand. We've preloaded the ProCur X with a selection of popular brand colors, so you can switch things up just by pressing the button. Now, by default, these LEDs glow in the signature GlasWeld green because we know you all love it. But if you want to change it up, just hold the UV button right here on the side for 5 seconds, and then you can cycle through the different colors. Once you land on your favorite, let it sit for 5 seconds, and just like that, your new color is locked in and ready to go. Have you ever wished that you could take on bigger rock chips or even those occasional long cracks with confidence? Well, we've got you covered, literally. Like all GlasWeld curing lights, the ProCur X delivers that 360-degree curing. But now it does it on an even larger scale, with an expanded curing area of up to 6 inches from side to side. So you get extra peace of mind knowing that the entire surrounding area is fully cured. That means stronger, more reliable repairs and long cracks every single time. Now, speaking of long cracks, many of you are probably using the corner edge extension for the zoom to do long cracks and damage along the edge of the glass. And the ProCur X was designed to work seamlessly with that corner edge extension. Another amazing versatility of the ProCur X is that it fits perfectly with all of the previous GlasWeld injectors. Get ready for the most powerful curing light ever. We've cranked up the curing intensity with 66% more power per UV LED compared to the previous ProCur. And that's not all. You'll also notice on the inside of the ProCur X that there's a custom chrome-plated finish, which boosts the curing efficiency by another 20 to 30%. That means faster, stronger repairs with unmatched precision. Now let me show you how to start the curing process. So first, we're just gonna turn the light on by turning the switch on, just like so, and you'll hear that chime that lets you know that the light's on, and the UI lights on the outside will also come on and stay solid. Then you can place it over the ProCur, seamlessly over your zoom injector or the corner edge extension or just over a pit fill, and then just press the UV button once. One click will cure almost any resin in the world in less than a minute. Now, if you give it 2 quick clicks, it will give you an extra boost of curing time for long cracks, sensitive breaks, or just any situation where you might feel like you need a little extra curing. And maybe if you have some extra time, why not give it another go? Now, once the curing process starts, you'll notice that those UI lights on the outside will rotate, giving you a visual cue that the magic of curing is happening. Once it's done, the lights will return to a solid color and you'll hear a loud chime again. This means your repair is locked in and ready to go. All right, let's talk about one of the most intelligent features of the ProCur X. It's precision temperature sensing. Why does that matter? Well, most people don't realize that resin curing times change based on the temperature of the glass. So if it's a cold day, but the windshield has been sitting in direct sunlight, the curing time will be totally different than if the glass were also cold. Now, normally you'd have to make those adjustments yourself, but now the ProCur X does all the thinking for you. It's got a built-in infrared temperature sensor right here on the front of the light that reads the glass temperature in real time and automatically adjusts the curing time to match. So whether it's a freezing cold or blazing hot out, you get a perfect cure every time. No guesswork, no stress, just smarter, stronger repairs. Now, with all the powerful problem-solving features packed into the ProCur X, you might think that the battery life would take a hit. But no, we've actually designed the ProCur X with a massive battery capacity, so busy techs can get more repairs done between charges. And don't worry, you'll always know when it's time to charge. No matter which of the branding colors you choose, the light will automatically switch to an orange color when the battery is running low. And when it's critical, these same main lights on the outside of the ProCur X will turn red, letting you know that it's time to charge as soon as possible. But even if the battery is low, your UV power will always stay strong, so you never have to worry about getting a weak cure. And if for some reason you end up with a dead battery, the light will also allow you to cure even while it's charging. And when it's time to recharge, just plug in the included charging brick and the USB-C cable. Now, once the battery is full, the lights will switch from a pulsing to a solid mode, and you'll know you're ready to go and start working again. And we've also added a really cool feature that we call sleep mode. So between your repairs, the UI lights on the outside of your ProCur X will stay on for about 2 to 3 minutes, but then they'll automatically shut off to help preserve battery. Now, as long as the power switch is on, just simply press the UV button and the ProCur X will fire back up and you can continue working throughout your day. So as you can see, the ProCur X is extra versatile, has extra powerful curing, extra temperature sensing, and an extra long-lasting battery. Thank you so much for tuning in to this deep dive on the ProCur X. As always, please follow us on social media, visit us at GlasWeld.com, and let us know if you have any questions at all. We are here to help. We'll see you next time.